Good evening, everybody. We've got a Group D matchup here coming to you. It's going to be ESPER51 taking on the Wolf. And I already messed up by not taking a Scream of Evil. Esper looking to be playing his Reduce Entropy deck again. See him lay it down and retreat back to his stairwell. He's not going to bother to do much else. He knows Wolf can't get up onto those containers. Doesn't need to break that. Wolf looking to be running his Tiger Strength Ricochet deck. Not going to be able to use very much with that down. Oh, he does go through the trouble of hanging it now. Not sure why. Wolf definitely can't get up there as a cartwheeler. If I know this deck, I believe it's mostly just Photon Burst and Ricochet Laser. Esper may need to just dig and find that Shatter and Eliminate and go to town. I don't know if there's anything else left to be done there. Wolf is just trying to psych him out of popping at the moment, but Esper has one pop in hand. Possibly the Eliminate, and so he's not able to actually get anything. Has to go look for something else. Esper still playing it slow, looking to try and hit with that Reincarnation, but it's going to be a low action game. I don't think Wolf has any answers to what he's done, and so he's not going to dig. Esper's just got to go find his Shatter. Esper has no way of knowing what Wolf has here, unless he knows him as well as I do, which I don't think he does. So he's just going to have to look for that Shatter and then bite the bullet and go for the pop. Yellow there could be a Mephisto's Pact. More likely that it's Amulet, though. Goes back in. Wolf still hasn't touched a single capsule. Vesper's not careful and he doesn't land any damage or start popping any capsules. This will actually go into emergency countdown mode. So if he doesn't get that Shatter, he's actually going to end up with a draw. Looks like he has picked it up now, dropped the shield. Going to move in and start getting those capsules. Hopefully he gets the first one before it goes into emergency countdown. Looks like he's got it. Should be good now. 3 capsules down, and now we just have to wait for Wolf's Arsenal to be deleted. Three at a time. Wolf finally returns to the lobby. He's going to accept his defeat. And that'll take us to City for Game 2. Wolf debating what he's going to bring here to City. That's like the 4th time we've seen Esper run that on Panorama at this point. For those still paying attention in Group D and having played Esper, talking to people like Phantom Crux and Invoker of Legend, note that Esper is preferring that arsenal there. Be ready for it. He may not do it now that I've called him out on it, but you do need to be prepared for it, as he seems to be favoring that strategy. Wolf and Esper spawn across from each other. Wolf's got that nice box spawn. Gives him a little bit of extra defense. He can be punished with that spawn, though, by a jumper. If a jumper goes aggressive with a melee deck, it can punish him there. Esper biding his time by going up in the lift. Wolf doesn't seem to have anything to punish that. Heat goes on. Both players having fairly healthy aura starts for themselves. Wolf still not using that green in hand. Could be Tiger Strength. Just doesn't have an attack that he wants to use yet. Or can use. See, Esper still hovering his own capsules. Another heat used. He's going to make his way over now. We do see the Tiger Strength of Wolf get turned on. Blaster. Going to be blocked by Fortress. Esper about to take trash damage. So close. And he's going to take that one right there. Cannot use those signs as cover. Manages to make his way over. Only 3 damage down. It's not too bad. But he is going to catch a laser blade while dropping off of the box there. Wolf punching back off to an early 10 health lead. Wolf's angry after that reduced entropy. Still trying to get around that fortress. Esper moving in to fight here on the boxes. Wolf continuing to drain his aura a bit. Esper trying to fake out the swords here. He's got Key Palm and Backdraft Bullet. It's the current hand. Wolf takes a quick tumble off the map. Don't believe that was intentional. Oh, that Ice Sword's going to connect, and that Backdraft Bullet will as well. Esper turning things around. Another Ice Sword. Not enough for the Backdraft. But Wolf has to stay away from that Ice Sword. Oh! That'll be it. Esper with the 2-0 on City. Sorry, I got caught up in the action. I realized I wasn't really saying anything about that, but very good mechanical play from Esper. Wolf doing what he could, but having that box spawn is just very easily punished by a jumper. Whether he spawns it or they spawn in it, it's an advantage for a jumper in a 1v1. Takes us to Refinery now for Game 3. Wolf had a really good start in that game, got a lot of damage off, but we need to see him be able to get that off consistently if he wants to pick up a match win. But this is one of his better maps. Wolf very comfortable on Refinery. Saw him win a very close match here earlier tonight as well. Off to a bad aura start this time though. I did not mean to break that. And I fell off the map again, just like I did last time on Refinery. Not on purpose. Wolf seems to be very, very bad off aura-wise. Don't know if this is his bravery deck that we're used to seeing. We see a Tiger Strength out of him. Perhaps he forgot to switch arsenals? I know he almost always runs that bravery here. Trying to get some of that damage down with that slide laser with Tiger Strength on. Esper wanting to use his flash hole on it. So far hasn't managed to catch it. He's just going to head somewhere more open and say, please, let me erase it. Personally, I think that's a good trade for Wolf to take the flash hole down with one of your low-cost lasers. Dragon Slayer in the air, going to take a shield from Wolf. Wolf has an Enviro. Could it be a reduced entropy of his own? It is. The reduced entropy deck. And it's hung. We'll have to see if Esper has a response for this. He's still got that Tiger Strength Twist Laser. Esper's got Tiger Strength. We've seen Faith out of him as well, so we're almost guaranteed to see a Tiger Strength reincarnation at some point. Honestly, the ideal set of schools to be running against a reduced entropy. Wolf is going to take a quick little drop out of the tower. Esper probably digging for what he's hopefully going to have, the hyper kick and the reincarnation. I'm betting on both in this arsenal. Esper hiding down there. Doesn't want to take any damage while he's trying to find the moves he needs to make this comeback. We could see the Shatter and Eliminate out of Wolf as well. So far, only seeing Optic and Kai. He finally gets a little bit of damage on Esper, but Esper's moving in now. Looks like he's either found the hyper kick of the reincarnation and he's ready to go. He's going the distance. Reincarnation. Called it earlier. 5 damage reincarnation going to be ideal into this. Wolf going to have to try and fight back with manual aim slide laser. Actually, that's Twist, I believe, given the arc. Catches him with another reincarnation on top of the noggin. That one's going to connect too for 5. Next reincarnation is lethal. Esper accidentally taking a tumble off the map is going to deal a little extra damage to himself. Wolf needs to find a better answer and a better punish than this Twist laser. He let Esper have the time he needed to dig, and he didn't really find anything of his own to contest the eventual Tiger Strength reincarnation that he had to know was coming. He's also got the wrong angle for trying to manual aim Twist laser. Going the wrong way around the pole here. Esper slowly catching up to him. Wolf taking him on a merry little chase. I don't know if I can handle another 5 minutes of this, though. Wolf may just be going for the draw. Oh, this will be exciting. Duck hunt edition, except for this time it's wolf hunt. Eventually the clock will go down into emergency tick mode. It'll cut off like 2 to 3 minutes once we get there. But it does not look like Wolf is willing to concede this match. We are down to emergency timer mode. 1 minute left for Esper to close this game. "35 seconds left. Wolf has managed to get another laser down onto Esper. It is feasible that he kills him with a laser. Unlikely, though. Agonies comes out from Esper. Double Agonies, and he catches him in the last 13 seconds. Esper dug for Agonies in there. And I didn't expect those, and clearly Wolf didn't either. Didn't keep his distance, and that'll be the 3-0 in rather hilarious fashion for ESPER51 over the Wolf.